You're at the playroom? Where are you? I don't see you there. Oh, he's there. Are you ready to play? Yeah? Close your eyes. Daddy, you close your eyes. We're gonna open a surprise for Jacob. Ready, Jacob? Open. Open. Surprise! Oh! Alright, yeah, Daddy, you're gonna do the big one and Jacob's gonna do the small one. Whoever finished first is the winner. Are you ready, Jacob? You gonna win? Alright, are you ready, Daddy? You have to turn on the switch and you help Jacob turn it on. Alright, ready, set, go! You got one fish. Jacob got one fish. Daddy got one fish too. Daddy got another fish. Jacob got one fish. Oh, Jacob already got three fish. Jacob, you have to spin it. There. Daddy got another fish. Wow! Nice, Jacob. One more. Spin it, Jacob. Spin it first. You have to spin it first. Alright, go get the fish. Oh, Daddy got another fish. But I think Jacob only got 4 left. Oh, he got another fish. Daddy, you need to spin Jacob's fishy.
Spin. You have to spin it like that.
There you go. Yay. Whoa. Jakey only got 2 more fish left. And Daddy got 2, 4, 6, 7 fish. Daddy, you hurry up.
Go.
Jacob, go spin it. You have to spin it so the mouth will open up.
Upside down.
There you go.
See that is spin it.
Jacob, you go touch the fish. Touch the fish.
No, no.
There. Oh, one left, one left. There you go.
Hey, hey.
No touching. There. Jacob, you win. Jacob, you win. Yay! Loser. Daddy's the loser. Daddy, you still have 5 fish. Jacob is done. You got all the fishes. Yay! Whoa! Good job, Jacob. Do you like it? Yes, let's try again, Daddy. Maybe this time you're gonna win.
Okay.
Okay, round 3. Whoever wins this round is the winner. Yeah, I think so. And whoever wins will get a surprise toy. Yay! Ready? Jacob, are you ready? You ready? Hold your rod. Hold your fishing rod. Go! There! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Do it faster, they get a prize. There! Daddy, Jacob got 2.
Three.
Faster, Jacob. Daddy got 3 already. Jacob, it's still fixing it. There! Wow! Go, go, go!
Mouth.
Open your mouth!
Upside down. Open your mouth.
Yeah, you got blue. Good job. Next. It's there on the side. Go, Jacob. 3 more fish. Oh, 4. 4 more fish, Jacob. Oh, 3 more fish. Daddy, you got
That is me.
There you go, Jacob. Yay, 2 more fish. 2 more fish, Jacob. Go faster. You're lining them up. Go, go, go. Daddy is messy. Look at Jacob. See? Daddy, one last fish. Jacob, faster, faster. There. Jacob is the winner. Yay! Jacob is going to get a surprise toy. Are you ready, Jacob? Jacob, you're so busy. He's still busy. You don't want a prize? Okay, I'm gonna give it to Daddy. No? Okay,
Why?
it's yours. Oh, are you done? You want me to get the prize? You want more? You want to play more? Sige na na, okay. Who win this battle? Who's the fishing game? You? Oh, no, Daddy. It's Jacob. And Jacob is... You win 1 and Jacob got 2 points. So Jacob is the winner and he's gonna get this. The grocery game. Yay! Get it, Jacob. Open it.
Lucky boy.